Hello, welcome. We're going to be looking at how to learn everything. How to learn everything. If you're a student and you want to learn, you want to know about your courses, you want to learn online, how do you go about it? Simply type in this web address on your browser, www.jamwayeknecouni.com. See the web address, www.jamwayeknecouni.com. Once you type it in, it's going to open this website for you. This is a complete website for your online learning solution. If you scroll down by this side, you're going to see mathematics. If you want to learn maths, you click on it. Python is a programming language. If you want to learn it, click on it. Commerce, CRS, economics, English, geography, any course you want to do. University courses like Physics 104, CHM 171, any of them, you understand. CorelDRAW, MX Excel, MS Word, Java. Those are computer operation things, how to develop websites and stuff. So you can virtually learn most things that you need as a Nigerian. And that's why we have this JAMB WAEC NECO. Anything you are doing in JAMB WAEC University, it's all covered here. If you have an assignment and you want to submit it so that we can help you run it, you click on submit assignment, you fill in the form that you see next, so that we'll be able to help you do that. You see, submit assignment, put your email where we'll send the assignment when we finish solving it, the school you're sending from, your actual assignment or project, and further information, maybe 5 pages, 10 pages, depending on how you want it. So that's how you go about it. I get back to home. If you want to learn anything, virtually anything you want, and virtually anything you want in university, you can go through it by going through this way. Thank you, and God bless you. If you like this, please click on the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you. 65